Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we've got another hop up for the M-07 and this is the OP1791 54791 M-07 concept carbon bumper support. So let's bring in for a close-up look and see how this fits with the stock car. So for this one we have the bumper itself. You get two really nice anodised countersunk washers and two screws, so it should be quite a straightforward and simple fit on this one. So we're going to undo the two standard screws, and I think these are exactly the same as the ones you get with the new carbon part. So if we remove that, see, it's exactly the same size, and one thing it does tell you to do is run CA glue around outside. You don't have to do it, but I can't see anything hitting it by crushing the entire bumper. It does depend on what size bumper you've got. Then you want to get the new screws, which are hex head 2.2 mil. You want to place one of your washers on. So dimensions wise, looks like these screws are exactly the same as stock, except these are hex head instead of your JIS screw type. But yeah, quite an easy, straightforward fit, and does look really nice. So that is now the carbon front bumper support fitted and the carbon shock towers, and it's looking more like a bling race vehicle. So let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, the original equipment Tamiya carbon bumper support on the M-07 concept. Let's be interesting to see how far we can go with this thing with hop-up options and mods. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.